person be imprisoned because of grave oral defamation? If so, how long will the imprisonment will be? Can it be paid via bail bond? And how much is the usual amount for the offenses?
Ayan, so medyo maraming components yung katanungan po ni Texter Ana, no? So, can a person be imprisoned because of grave oral defamation? So, babasahin ko para malinaw na malinaw po kasi ito po ay exact provision ng batas. But ang sagot ay definitely pwede po. Pwede. It's a criminal offense. Pag criminal offense, may kasama po talagang pagkakakulong. So, yan yung pinagkaiba niyan kapag civil case or criminal case. Pag criminal case, may samang pagkakakulong po. Pag civil, bayad po lamang ng danyos. Pero itong oral defamation ay considered as a criminal offense. So, babasahin ko ha. Serious slander is now punishable by imprisonment of arresto mayor in its maximum period, to prison correctional in its minimum period, or 4 months and 1 day to 2 years and 4 months, or a fine ranging from 20,000 to 100,000 pesos. While simple slander is punishable by arresto minor or 1 day to 1 month or a fine of not exceeding 20,000 pesos. So, ayan. Definitely, sa unang katanungan, pwede po ang makulong. How long yun po? Meron kasing parang may range po na binibigay yung ating batas, and then yung kung ano talaga yung eksakto, depende po yan sa sasabihin ng hukuman, kung ano ba talaga yung i-impose na penalty. And then, nakalagay naman po yan sa resolution po ng court, no? Kapag naglabas ng resolution ng court, and sa information din, no? Nakalagay po kung magkano yung amount of bail, yung suggested amount of bail, and kung ano po yung nakalagay doon, pwede naman pong mag-post ng bail. So, pwedeng via bail bond. Pwede naman po definitely. And pwede rin po yan, mag-apply din po yung probation dyan. No? So, although may pagkakakulong, pwede pong mag-apply for probation. And of course, beyond that, syempre yun nga po, kagaya nung sinabi ko kanina, pwede pong mag-post ng bail. So, hindi po yan non-bailable offense. Pwede pong magpiyansa kapag yan po ang kaso na i-final. Okay, but again, tingnan po ha kung mayroon, depende kung anong stage na kasi Ash, diba? Baka hindi pa naman na-file o may resolution na ba yung court. Kung may resolution na yung, bakit pa magpo-post ng bail kung may resolution na, no? Kung wala pa siguro, pwede mag-post ng bail.